Good night.
Earthquakes. The sudden and violent shaking of the ground that can cause major damage to our structures, roads, and lives. Though we understand why and how an earthquake occurs, we know little of when they'll strike. According to FEMA, the Pacific coast of the United States is past due for a major earthquake, and sadly, 50% of Americans will be unprepared. Don't be a narcissistic. Prepare yourself today. Create an earthquake kit, which includes emergency backpack with food and water, a flashlight, a radio, a first aid kit. For the full list of creating an emergency kit, visit www.ready.gov/kit. And remember, beat the shake before it's too late.